Hey, good morning, y'all. Anthony here. Alright, so I'm walking around doing a little reading on my tablet. But let me ask you, are you starting your days how you want to? Or are you starting your days having to rush off and get ready for work? Hey, it's not cool. Because things happen, like the little man's pants didn't dry this morning, so his mom has to take him to school today, but she doesn't work today. Today's her day off. Me, I wake up when I want. That's something I absolutely hate an alarm. I'm a morning person, so I'm usually up before the alarm goes off at 6 a.m. to wake her up to get ready for work, or 5:45 if she has to get ready for work, or 6 if it's just getting little man ready for school. But, like, people like to say that you say things you don't say. She swears up and down I told her yesterday his pants are dry. Like, you never asked me that question yesterday. I didn't even get home till midnight last night because I was out stacking paper. Because, like I said, with the wealth creation formula I put out about yesterday, you need to stack up a nice chunk of change before you start worrying about investing. I've been doing that wrong for years. I've been investing $20, $50, $100 here and there, like chump change basically. And so I've still made a nice little return on dividends, but I can't say nice one. I made a return, but it was a little bit. Now, if I would have actually funded all that money into one central vehicle, like one ETF or something, like not diversifying like the world tells you to do, I'd be getting a lot bigger dividends I would have been getting. So, had to reallocate some stuff, move some stuff around, but that's the best part about life, y'all. There is a reset button. Every day is a new day. So if something bad happened yesterday, it's in the past. Leave it there. Let it go. Move on and make today the best day in the world. Because it's a present. That's why it's called the present. It's a gift from God. Every new day is an opportunity for you to go out and make things happen. So like I said, I woke up this morning. There was no road deliveries this morning that I could accept. So I just started walking around reading. And I'm already ahead of my weekly goal. So I'm going to knock out reading my videos early so I can do some editing on these videos. Because, hey, no matter what you do, y'all, start your days off with money-making activities. If you're not making money first thing in the morning, or at least having the potential to make money, you're wasting your time. Like, my YouTube channel is monetized. I think I made $2.90 over the whole time it's been monetized. And to even get paid by YouTube, you gotta make at least 100. So that's why I ask you to like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff to help the YouTube algorithm. Because I want to get this. Actually, it's like I told my SEO guy that I'm working with. My YouTube channel is simply to put out educational material that people need to implement into their lives. Hey, I really don't care if I make money from YouTube or not. It'd be nice knowing that my content is impacting more people, because if it is, that means I'm getting paid. And by getting paid shows that you're adding enough value. So that's why my couple cents every day increase. So that's why I keep putting out content, because you never know what's going to resonate with who and how it's going to transition and change their lives. I get comments all the time about something I said has helped them. They've implemented it in their lives, and they're working towards creating a rich life for themselves, because that's all I do. I share information that I've personally done and that works. Pay Caesar what is Caesar's. Don't be in debt to no one. Like, that's why I love the Bible. It was so awesome back in like the 90s and before the 2000s. Like, they used to not sell liquor on Sundays. Y'all remember those days? Like, now you can do whatever the hell you want because it's a free country, and they took God out of it. And people still celebrate the holidays, and they try to say it's worshiping the birth of Christ, like Christmas. No, it ain't. It's about giving gifts. It's nothing about Jesus or God, any of the endeavors that we celebrate. We just celebrate it for an excuse to not have to work at a 9 to 5 and to get together with family. Which, hey, there ain't nothing wrong with that. I get together with people all the time, because build your network, y'all. Help other people get what they want, and you'll get what you want in the process. But Like, if you want a nice, enjoyable life, just follow the biblical principles. It don't matter if you believe in God or not. The book is a freaking awesome guideline to how to create wealth. That we were put on this earth to live abundantly. If you're not living abundantly in all areas of your health, your wealth, and everything, you're neglecting the reason why you're put on this earth in the first place. Whether you want to believe that or not, hey, doesn't really matter. But if you are not happy with your current situation, you need to do something about it. Start building a home-based networking business. Start creating residual passive income. And there you go. Like I said, I had the residual from all the diversification, all that stuff, so there's never anything to brag about from my cash flow, passive income from my assets. That's why I said, after listening to the Grant Cardone's wealth creation formula, you got to stack up a certain amount of cash to a critical mass point before you start even thinking about investing. That's why while you're doing that, you need to expand your home-based networking business, growing your network, because that'll create residual passive income in the process. Why you're still going to cash to invest in cash flow producing assets? Because that way you will get to the point of owning your life. So hey, let me know in the comments what you're doing to create your ideal life. If you're soaking away cash in a high yield savings account or something, so you can get to the point, the critical mass point, so you can start investing something serious and get some serious returns. Or if you're even just building a home-based networking business, so you can expand your network and expand your residual passive income that way. Because add value and you'll get what you want, y'all. Alright, have a wonderful day. Remember, like, subscribe, comment, and share.